I am Sadaf Chaudhary. I have got 23rd rank this year. It was my second attempt.
I am Dr. Apala Mishra and I have secured All India rank 9 this year.
Hi everyone, I'm Saloni. I have secured rank 70 in the Civil Services Examination of 2020.
GS2 जिसमें आप बेसिकली 2-3 पोर्शन हमारे होते हैं. वन इज़ पॉलिटी, सेकेंड इज़ गवर्नेंस एंड देन सोशल जस्टिस जिसमें आपके वल्नरेबल सेक्शंस आते हैं.
As Sadaf had mentioned, I came from a very good academic background and then suddenly two prelims failed and I thought I was just not capable enough for this exam. The beauty of UPSC exam lies in the fact that it gives us so many opportunities and so many time frames to improve ourselves.
In the sense, a lot of people ask motivation कैसे रखें और कैसे continue करें. For me, my timetable was my source of discipline.
पॉलिटी के लिए हम लक्ष्मीकांत हमेशा से पढ़ते आए हैं और गवर्नेंस के लिए एक सेकेंड ARC की रिपोर्ट आती है. रिपोर्ट नहीं पढ़नी है, कभी रिपोर्ट पढ़नी नहीं होती है, समरी पढ़नी होती है, तो आप वहाँ रेफ़र कीजिए. और जो सोशल जस्टिस है उसके लिए नीति आयोग का एक इंडिया 75 का एक्शन एजेंडा है, वो आप रेफ़र कर सकते हैं.
If you learn to respect yourself the same amount as you respect this exam.
10 to 15 पॉइंट्स में आपका डाटा होना चाहिए कि क्या रेशियोज़ हैं, क्या हमारा एक विमेन क्राइम अगेंस्ट विमेन फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप ले सकते हैं. आपकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के आर्टिकल्स होने चाहिए, आपकी जजमेंट्स होने चाहिए. जो भी आपका एक एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में आपको याद करने में ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिलता है और आपको मेहनत ना करनी पड़े, तो एक रेडी रेफरेंस के लिए.
This is the beginning, this is not the end.
And very specifically, I made my timetable on Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, whichever you prefer. And मैं क्या करती थी, I would, for example, if I have to give a test on the 10th of July, then 2nd to 9th of July, I will write down I have to study 6 hours every day for that test.
The interview preparation is like any other phase of this exam. This cannot be taken lightly or ignored or taken with arrogance that you've already cleared mains.
तो आप न्यूज़पेपर में डेली न्यूज़ पढ़ते हैं, आप उसको उसमें ऐड कीजिए, क्योंकि जब आप इंट्रो बॉडी कंक्लूजन करके आंसर लिख रहे होंगे तो इंट्रो जनरली अगर आप करंट अफेयर्स के रिलेटेड किसी न्यूज़ से देंगे तो वो ज़्यादा इम्पैक्टफुल होता है.
This has to be taken with the same amount of consistency that you've put in your mains and prelims preparation and the same amount of knowledge related hard work.
And let's say on the 3rd of July I could not do what I have to do. Then I would fill the cell of 3rd of July in red on Google Sheets or Excel. So essay red and green were my two colors mostly.
I prepared notes for each and every word of my diary. Up until this time, we have been reading news for the sake of having information, but not for the sake of making opinions and forming substantial opinions.
या फिर आप ये डाल सकते हैं कि क्या जजमेंट्स हैं. उसके लिए मैं तो ये करती थी जजमेंट्स याद करने के लिए, मेरा ऑप्शनल भी पॉलिटिकल साइंस था, तो आई यूज टू मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ ऑल द जजमेंट्स, पेस्ट इट ऑन माई वॉल एकदम जो स्टडी टेबल के ऊपर, और आप उसको कॉन्स्टेंटली देखेंगे ना 1 महीना भी, तो आपको जजमेंट्स याद हो जाएंगे.
And I would also write the reason why I'm not studying on the days it would be filled with red. I know this might sound childish to some, but by the end of the month, by the end of 2 months, I had a very let's say graphic representation of मैं कब पढ़ रही हूँ, कब नहीं पढ़ रही हूँ, कितना इन्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ, कितना नहीं कर रही हूँ.
What they are testing is that are you capable enough to support your opinions, to stand by what you say, or are you someone who does not know, or are you someone who just knows how to crib and complain and does not have any solutions for that. So whenever you read the newspapers, read it in a manner as to what you will say about it in the interview stage.
So that really helped me just reorient myself every time I felt I'm going astray. Nobody, I mean no mock even touched upon science and technology, and that's fair because I don't have a background in that. But my actual interview was 40 to 50% science and tech based. I was quite stumped कि ये क्या हो रहा है.
The second aspect of the interview preparation is the presentation aspect. Now you should know what the board is looking for. You should not look like a box of knowledge and a box of information. You should look like someone who has thought about things.
प्रीलिम्स में जैसे काफ़ी लोगों ने ऐसी बात की कि प्रीलिम्स में फेल हो गए थे, अगला अटैम्प्ट दिया. आई थिंक आई एम ऑल्सो वन ऑफ दोज जो पहले अटैम्प्ट में प्रीलिम्स भी नहीं कर पाए थे. तो वो इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि आप एक स्टेप बैक लें, आप असेस करें, आप ये देखें कि आप कहाँ इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, पर उससे भी ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है अपने इमोशंस को मैनेज करना.
Has the honorable board mistaken myself also to be an engineer because I'm not? So I would just say that like each and every stage, even the personality test can be really unpredictable no matter how much you prepare. The key is just to be confident and calm as much as possible.
You should look like an officer who would do good for the country. You know, it is said, enter like an officer, answer like an officer, and leave like an officer. And that should be your basic mantra of appearing for the interview stage.
I would just say that when I was preparing ये जो topper stocks थी मैं भी देखती थी, and you know it just seems like इतना smooth था, they did everything so perfectly, they were so disciplined. But trust me, there are many days in which all of us, I'm sure over here, I can speak for myself.
A lot of times we do study, but we feel like we do not know enough. But the reality is that we do know enough. We just don't know how to express it.
आप अपना भी एक इमोशन देखिए कि आपको डर किस बात का है। आप फेल होने से डरते हैं या आप लाइफ में कुछ आगे क्या होगा उससे डरते हैं। राइट दोस थिंग्स डाउन, इवैल्यूएट योरसेल्फ।
So have that confidence in yourself, have that belief in yourself. Keep yourself motivated at all times of the preparation. That is very necessary.
There are ups and downs and days when you don't study, days on which you are indisciplined, days on which nothing works out. So as smooth and as organized as all of this sounds, that's only half the picture.
Don't create negativity around you before you've actually appeared for the exam. Success is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration.
ट्राई टू सी कि वर्स्ट पॉसिबल क्या हो जाएगा। एंड आई रियली थिंक कि सब कुछ तो हमारे फेक सिनेरियोज दिमाग में क्रिएट हो रहे होते हैं, इतना बुरा कुछ होता नहीं।
So just have faith in your process, have faith in your journey, stay confident, stay calm.
So all these talks that might give 1% inspiration, but 99% perspiration is what we have to do and what everyone here has done.